So, some more specific stuff today. Cloud Desktop is some kind of AI program you can run on your PC and you can help yourself to do some PC automation and PC tasks. And this is super, super powerful. This is maybe the future. So let's take a look into it, how it works and how to install in general. And just one thing I stumbled upon. We are basically looking at some kind of revolution, cloud desktop usage. So let's see here. Let's you use Anthropic's AI on your Mac or Windows computer for tasks like summarizing PDFs, drafting documents, generating code and spreadsheets, and anything you might think of. You just need to give the cloud desktop the permission, right? And to do it. So let's just see how to download it and download Claude. And you might just want to click here in the Windows. And then it's going to do the setup. Let's wait until finish and then we can see how to go further. So yeah, here you see already some nice example how to use the AI. Can you estimate? So for example, yeah, this would be a use case for it. So get started, please. I think we have to do some. I think you have to do some logging in, continue with email. So yeah, I have to send myself the verification code. Okay, open Cloud. I did it on the second screen, if you wonder. So yeah, I agree. I think I have to. Your account needs to be verified. So maybe it's not verified yet because I haven't got email yet to verify the account. Ah, yes, I did. Okay, thank you. So I cannot click here for some reason. Maybe this is buggy today. Oh, we have remote desktop. Yeah, continue. Maybe I just restarted, so it's kind of buggy here. You see, oh, it's having two instances open. What is this? Guys, if you stumble on those errors, just click here. I think you can click here and see some for some cloud and then can quit. And yeah, now just start again. Your account needs to be verified. That's why it doesn't work. So yeah, give me just some verification, please, then. Log in. This link has already been used. So this is why we do those videos, just to see how it works, right? Okay. Okay, yes. So this is now Claude, and I think the install completely now. Let's just wait how it finish here, and you can just click away from this playing thing because it's free, right? There's some limit, but it's free for a little app improvement. You might not want to. So let's call ourselves just like this. Yeah, definitely this one. Yeah, let's do. Okay, install Cloud Code maybe here. In collab with Cloud in your code base. Get AI paired programming right in your terminal. Ship better code faster and understand complex code bases with ease. Yeah, so on, so on, so on. Maybe later. Today, no. Yeah, it's nice, but not today. Debug my code and give me tip. Yeah, why not everything? Oh, look, it's not ripe yet. It's not ripe. Could you help me turn a screenshot into working code? Yeah, I mean, you don't have to, but yeah. So, I mean, this is everything for now. And just make sure to follow me on any social if you want. And yeah, we will catch up for sure in future video. And yeah, see you then and goodbye.